and your entourage,
the
team leader of our relatives from Nyangatom in Ethiopia, the team leader of our relatives from South Sudan, the Toposa and your team, distinguished guests in your various capacities, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the people of Abim whom I represent in Parliament, I would like to very warmly welcome you to Abim. In Parliament, I'm known for saying for us in Abim, we beam.
In Parliament,
you are most welcome to Abim. I want to take opportunity also to thank all the hands that contributed to this day. Because without them cooperating, I think we wouldn't have anything to celebrate today. I want to thank my colleagues, members of the Karamoja Parliamentary Group, for coming in handy to support this event. I also want to thank the rest of the volunteers, both in Kampala, within Karamoja, and in other places. I want to bring apologies from my colleagues, the 26 members of Parliament from Karamoja are a strong force to reckon with.
The
reason they are not here today is because we had a scheduled meeting with the Minister of State for disaster preparedness today. Because you know what has been happening, we have been having challenges of food shortages. So we are trying to come up with a lasting solution to the problem. After giving that apology, I now want to recognize the presence of my other two colleagues. And I want them to come here and be with me. And out of the little time I've been given, I'll give each of them time to say something. And our deputy chairperson of the Karamoja Parliamentary Group will speak last. Today we are not here to make too many speeches. We don't even want to blame anybody. We are just here to celebrate our culture. I have been forwarding some of these pictures of the Nyangatom, the Turukana, the Toposa to our platforms the other side. Everybody wants to run to Abim. They want to come and celebrate the rich culture. I want to thank the initiators of KCA Karamoja cultural event. Because it was inaugurated in 2013. And we have been celebrating it since 2016. Abim is celebrating it for the first time, and this is the 7th edition.
Abim tika kwede me achiel kamano iga dong mena mabiro mere.
We should have done it last year in Abim, but because of the COVID-19 pandemic, it had to be pushed to this year.
Ono poeti mgini mwagoro ni ento piyo dete kora no do nyoko miechoro wana kimwagani.
So I want to thank everybody for coming. This unites all of us. The Constitution of Uganda recognizes 65 tribes of Uganda.
And Chitmel of Uganda, Tito Kalegni, Keki, Pira Beach, and we are beach in Uganda.
But of the 65, 11 are in Karamoja.
Kiko, Pira Beach, and we are beach, Keki, Aparachel, Karajong.
But when you are given, recognized as a different ethnicity, it did not mean you disunite.
Donc, Chimoni,
we have been bedeviled by the problem of insecurity. Even as the leaders, sometimes we lobby. Me, I have been in the docket of the agriculture. It is now some years, 3, 4. But every time in my docket, I try to lobby, I talk to the ministers, please, let's have a government ranch in Karamoja so that we improve our breeds.
But the question they throw back to me, where shall we put it? Because if we put in Abim, the GA will take it. If we put it in Kotido, the Malenigo and Turkana will take. If we put in Dodok, the GA will take. If we put in Karenga, it will be taken. So we find a challenge. So this is the time for us to put our heads together and come up with the lasting solutions. I am happy we are going to have various dialogues. Let's find a solution to the problem of insecurity. Man ene chana bera tamoni nirekelu yo kachiel ekane nkile no ne nyamo kilok na kelo agame jiki ipegoni ajine yomni laro loko nyo nyamo lok ya kine jo bino merere kitimera nyi ekeno agam na bino kelo kuch Karamoja.
We are the only ones now on support of relief.
One candidate here is a coin relief.
And from records, the first relief item to Karamoja was in 1950. We are now in 2022. Still relief. Let's put our heads together, find a way of getting rid of insecurity, finding a way of making Karamoja a food basket. And for us in Abim, we have a saying,
for us in our language, there is a saying that says, what you borrow doesn't put that remains like portion.
Let's be productive. Let's utilize the opportunity government has given us. Government has been giving Karamoja some support to make people productive. When other parts of Uganda did not get an hose, Karamoja districts all got, because we want you to be in the garden. When we realized there was a problem of drought and for the animals, we lobbied government. 17 billion was given for valley dams and other water sources for all the districts of Karamoja.
Neni, one better Karamata Chingwa, Wekame to Kelka, Ketopina, no near Dino Berekarana Koyo Gileni, this Karamoja Giduchu.
Karamoja district received tractors some time back.
This is not Karamoja, Obino Tinga Karamono Potangage.
Even in the supplementary which was given, we are supposed to get some tractors.
Nakaton, Ikano Ken Luni supplementary, Wooden Mioni, one to be the no Tinga no Kene.
So, friends, relatives, let's settle down and see how to be productive. I know we have erratic rains, but whatever rain is there now, use it to plant any quick maturing seed.
The Wikona ina Kachiel Kiluak no Kenny, Aquani teach Karaman, and they can give on a bear, and you got going to get a ticket to enter and near Gimona no Bino Kello, Gimona Bear, Ichaonu.
Otherwise, I want to thank everyone. Amido kwa yewe tour, jol ni jolo unu, kiwele obedo jol namalo, ere bedo komanon naka. Naka. Yes,
wow, I was thinking.
I want to thank the governor and your team for gracing this occasion. I was hearing from someone that this has been the best attendance from your delegation. Thank you so much. I want to thank our brother, Honorable Yes. He's our friend forever. Thank you for coming. The Toposa. Thank you for coming. The Nyangatom. Thank you for coming. And Ugandans love your dressing. We are very proud of you. The rest of Karamoja districts, thank you for coming to grace this occasion. Thank you for visiting Abim. If you are coming for the first time, this is Abim. And we are full of hills everywhere. With those few remarks, may I now request my honorable colleague, the honorable MP for GA County. He will say his name because I may spoil it. But we call him Supreme because he looks supreme. After that, then he will hand over the microphone to our dear Deputy Chairperson of Karamoja Parliamentary Group. Thank you so much.